You've probably been there, cramming for an exam, heart racing, palms sweaty, and no matter how hard you try, your brain just isn't cooperating. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Stress hijacks your memory, and it's affecting your learning more than you realize. In this video, we'll dive deep into how stress messes with your brain and what you can do about it. Stick around for science-backed tips that could change how you study forever. When you're stressed, your brain activates the fight-or-flight response. Your adrenal glands release cortisol, the stress hormone. A little cortisol can sharpen your focus, but too much. It floods your brain, especially the hippocampus, the area responsible for learning and memory. High cortisol levels make it harder for neurons in the hippocampus to communicate, which means your ability to form and recall memories drops. To illustrate this, let's try a quick activity. Take 5 seconds to remember these words: apple, bridge, river, cloud. Now, take a deep breath and imagine a stressful situation, like forgetting your lines during a presentation. Try to recall the words again. See how stress narrows your cognitive bandwidth? Chances are, you'll forget one or two. This stress works against your brain's natural learning processes, making it tougher to retain info under pressure. Stress impacts short-term and long-term memory differently. In the short term, mild stress can enhance alertness, helping you focus. But if that stress lingers due to exams, deadlines, or emotional pressure, it disrupts long-term memory consolidation. The calm student stores information smoothly, but the stressed student's memories are scattered. That's why you might study all week and still blank out during the test. Your brain never got the chance to properly save the info. Now, let's try another activity. Give yourself 1 minute to read a list of 10 random facts. Then, spend another minute doing slow breathing. Now, recall the facts. You'll likely recall more after relaxing. Proof that calm helps memory retention. This demonstrates how crucial a relaxed state is for effective learning. Have you ever blanked out on an exam because of stress? Share your story in the comments below. I read every one. Here's where it gets serious. Chronic stress can actually change your brain structure. Long-term exposure to cortisol can cause the hippocampus to shrink, making learning and recall harder. Meanwhile, the amygdala, your brain's fear center, grows more active, making you more sensitive to future stress. It becomes a vicious cycle. Stress damages memory. Poor memory creates more stress, and the cycle repeats, trapping you in a loop of anxiety and forgetfulness. But the good news? The brain is plastic. It can heal and rewire if you give it the right tools. Studies show that even after years of chronic stress, consistent relaxation techniques can reverse hippocampal shrinkage. Imagine reclaiming your focus. Here are scientifically proven ways to protect your memory from stress. First, mindful breathing. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing can lower cortisol and boost focus. Second, physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins that buffer the effects of stress. Third, quality sleep. During sleep, your brain consolidates memory and flushes stress hormones. Fourth, chunked learning. Study in small, focused sessions rather than long, pressured marathons. And fifth, social connection. Sharing your stress with friends reduces the emotional burden and enhances recall through discussion. For an interactive experience, try this group learning experiment. Pair up with a friend and teach each other a small topic. The act of explaining something out loud engages different parts of your brain, turning short-term memory into long-term knowledge. Don't forget hydration and short breaks. Your brain thrives on balance. Try implementing one today and notice the difference in your retention. Here's the secret. Not all stress is bad. Psychologists call it eustress, the positive kind that motivates you. A small dose before a challenge sharpens your attention and memory, as long as you channel it effectively. So instead of fighting stress, learn to work with it. Recognize it's your body's way of saying, "This matters." Then, breathe and let that energy drive your learning, not block it. Reframe stress as fuel. Next time you're stressed about a big test or project, reframe it as fuel. You'll perform better and remember more. Stress isn't your brain's enemy. It's how you manage it that counts. The difference lies in how you respond. Breathe, rest, and engage. Your brain isn't broken. It's just signaling you to slow down, breathe, and reset. It's a call to action for self-care. If this video gave you valuable insights, Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more brain-based tips, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this today. What's one stress-busting tip you'll try this week? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, a calm mind leads to stronger memory.